Have you ever taken a photo that you simply loved, except for maybe some annoying detail in the background? It could be another person blocking out your perfect Eiffel Tower selfie. It could be some clouds ruining your dream sunset. Or even a Hertz rental sticker on your brand new Lambo. Ha! You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, you've basically been stuck with two options. 1. Pay someone to fix it via Photoshop or spend hours learning it yourself. 2. Suck it up and live with it. Well, option number 1 sure sounds good, but in reality, it's rarely worth the money, time, and effort, and life's too short to settle for option number 2. Lucky for you, starting today, there's another, better, faster, cheaper option. It's called NanoFlow, powered by Google's NanoBanana. The name is silly, but the tech? Mind-blowing. It uses the same tech behind ChatGPT 5, DALL-E, Midjourney, and more to create custom graphics, images, and digital avatars out of text prompts you insert into the software. This is real AI at work. No templates involved. NanoFlow creates 100% commercial and royalty-free graphics and images that don't exist anywhere else. So you could use it for yourself or sell to clients and businesses. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software. Step 2. Insert the written text prompt and feed it to our AI generator. Step 3. Watch it turn your prompt into an image, graphic, or digital avatar. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There's no restrictions, and commercial license is included, which means you can sell your creations. Use it to create mock-ups for businesses in real estate, marketing, industry, heck, even t-shirt selling. Use it to create royalty-free stock images in any niche and sell them. Use it for graphics in your business, or sell graphics on sites like Flippa. Use it to turn any idea from words to reality in under 45 seconds. You write directly to this AI made by Google. You simply tell it what you want. NanoBanana, delete the other tourists. Add a sun instead of clouds. Remove my Hertz rental sticker, and so on. And it simply does it. No editing, no learning, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, loads from your phone, and feels like the future. What if you could cash in on all the market frenzy and buzz surrounding images, but with zero risk for you? With NanoFlow, you now can. It will allow you to literally create images out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good, thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. Best part? You can now. Stop buying stock images and paying ridiculous fees only to never find exactly what you want. Stop paying designers for graphics they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Illustrator. Actually, you can go ahead and delete any graphics apps. NanoFlow renders them obsolete. You could become the next travel influencer. Today you're in Paris, tomorrow in London, and so on, starting from just one imagine taken in your backyard. Dominate the food and cooking trends with tens of recipes each day, all supported by some very appealing visuals that were once a sad bowl of pasta. Promote your hair salon by showing the latest hairstyles as seen on yourself. No need for models. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want and NanoFlow creates the perfect image, no matter how crazy your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting designers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You will be amazed. I know I was. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. I already got my copy, you should too. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. Act now and secure your spot for NanoFlow.